The petitions related with premature release of 3 convicts in Mandar Surlakar murder case.
The matter was listed only for directions today. Some synopses were required to be filed. So all the parties have filed the written synopsis today, and the court has kept the matter now reserved for judgment. Whichever date convenient, the court will pronounce their order on the issue.
But what is the stand of state?
State has filed their reply, and we have pointed out also. We have particularly stand is that the sentence review board has recommended their release, but the children court has not recommended. The children court has given an adverse report based on which the state government has rejected the release. So accordingly we defended the case. So let us see what the judgment comes, what the court decides.
Thank you.